I just take shipping tape and I place it down. So this disc is not moving at all. This is the 4x4 BEADSMITH jeweler's block, and 4 inches by 4 inches and 1/2 inch thick. It's 2 pounds in weight. This thing is very substantial. I personally use it for metal stamping, and I want to show you my technique because it just makes it really easy, even for a beginner. This is a 6x6 rubber block, and then I take the 4x4 metal block and put it on top because it helps to absorb any impact, and it gives me a nice clean work surface. Okay, this is how this is so easy. Okay guys, like this is 101. Anybody can do it. I just take shipping tape and I place it down. So this disc is not moving at all. We're just going to use the BEADSMITH. This is the little heart stamp. And in the middle, get a good firm grip on it. Give it one good whack. And as you can see, so you have to pull the little plastic off, shipping tape. It punches clean through. And then look, perfectly even. And then when you're done, you just take this little metal marker, black enamel marker, put that on there. It's a rag, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna use my thumb. And we can just wipe it off. And you can see, clean, easy, perfect every single time. That's it. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.